Hello, students. This is grade 8 mathematics. So we'll have a review. Now, get your notebook. Okay? Kailangan mag-take down kayo ng notes. Okay? Important things. So these are the basic things that you should know and the things to consider. So we will have a review about factoring. And ano ba yung factors talaga? Paano ba natin malalaman yung pagfa-factor? So factors, algebraic expressions that are to be multiplied in a multiplication sentence are called factors. Yung mga expression na pinagmumultiply or pinagta-times sa multiplication sentence ay tinatawag na factors. Ano po yun? For example, 4 times 9 equals 36. Ano ang factor dyan? Factors, we have 4 and 9. And the product is 36. Okay? 5 times 1 equals 5. The product is 5. The factors are 5 and 1. 12 times 4 equals 48. Product is 48. Okay? Factors are 12 and 4. 14 is equal to negative 2 times 7. Factors are negative 2 and 7. A times B is equal to AB. Factors of AB are A and B. 15 times 2B is equal to 30B. So 30B is a product and the factors of 30B are 15 and 2B. We also have negative 20C times 4A is equal to negative 80AC. So ang factors ni negative 80AC are negative 20C and 4A. So we also have A plus B times 2. We have 2A plus 2B. So ang factors ay A plus B, another factor is 2. Okay? So yung pinagmumultiply po, yung factors na tinatawag. Naunawaan po? Now, if the product and the other factor are given na daw yung product sa yung isang factor, we use division to get the other factor or factors. Dinidivide natin para makuha yung isa pang factor. Kasi the reverse of multiplication is division. So now, we have 4 times blank is 36. So to get this other factor, we divide 36 by 4. So we have 9. So 9 yung other factor natin. 12 times blank is 48. So 48 divided by 12 is 4. So the other factor is now a blank times B is equal to AB. AB divided by B is equal to A. So A is the other factor. Blank times 4A is equal to negative AC. 80AC. So divide negative 80AC by 4A, we have negative 20C. So negative 20C will be our factor. So ang factor natin can be written in the form of 2 parentheses or 3 parentheses. Depende kung ilan yung factors natin. Okay po? Now, polynomials. Ano yung polynomials? Ano ba yung sinasabing polynomials? A polynomial is a kind of algebraic expression where each term is a constant or number lang, a variable or letter, or a product of a constant and variable, pinagsamang constant and variable, in which the variable, yung variable daw, ay dapat whole number ang expression. Okay, so we have following example. Our 4 is a polynomial because 4 is a constant. How about negative 2? It is also a polynomial because it is a constant again. E, polynomial? Yes po, kasi siya ay variable. B, polynomial? Yes po, variable din po siya. 12C, product of constant and variable. 12 and C. 12 times C is 12C. So 24A. Product of constant and variable. So, alin ang constant dito? 24 and the variable is A. So, 24 times A is 24A. Ganun lang po ang pag-multiply ng constant and variable. 24A raised to negative 2. Sabi dun sa ating polynomial, okay, the variable has a whole number exponent. Whole number pa rin to, pero negative lang. Okay? So, with that, it is not whole totally. So, it's a product of constant and variable, but do not have whole number exponent. Okay? So, we have a polynomial can be a monomial, wherein a monomial has only one term, iisa yung term. Binomial with two terms. Paano naging binomial? Two terms siya, separated by plus or minus. Trinomial naman, with three terms, ganun din, separated by operations, plus or minus. Okay? Ayun yung tatlong classification. We have monomial, binomial, and trinomial. So, let's see. 24A cubed. Is it a binomial, monomial, or trinomial? It is monomial. How about 34B? It's a monomial also. 12B plus 5. Yan. Dahil separated na by operation which is plus, dalawa na yung term natin, we have binomial. Y minus Z. Again, separated by minus sign, we have binomial. X plus Y minus Z. Dalawa na yung operation natin. Okay? Dahil dyan, it is trinomial. And 3x squared minus 12x minus 34, ang operation muli natin ay dalawa. We have trinomial. Okay? So, that's monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Now, we have the common factor. What do we mean by common factor? Factors that can be seen or divided in both or each given with exact answer. Yung mga factors na pwede mong i-divide sa bawat given na merong eksaktong sagot. Walang decimal or remainder. Let us see. 12 and 24. Para malaman natin yung common factor nila, ilagay natin lahat ng factors, 12 and 24. Sa 12, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. 1 times 12, 12. 2 times 6, 12. 3 times 4, 12. So, ito yung 12. 24, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. 1 times 24 is 24. 2 times 12 is 24. 3 times 8, 24. 4 times 6, 24. So, these are the factors. Now, tingnan natin, ano yung common factors or common factor? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So, ayun yung mga common factors nila. Yung factors na makikita mo sa pareho or sa lahat ng given. Okay? 36 and 48. Get the factors of 36. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. 1 times 36, 36. 2 times 18, 36. 3 times 12, 36. 4 times 9, 36. 6 times itself, 36. So those are the factors of 36. Now, let's have the factors of 48. We have 1 times 48, 2 times 24, 4 times 16, 3 times 16 rather, 4 times 12, 6 times 8. So we have these factors. Ngayon, tingnan natin, ano yung common or pareho sa factors nila? That's common factor. Ano yung common? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, wala namang 9 and 8, 12. Ayun lang. Ganun din. Okay? So, those are the common factors ng numerical value or ng constants. Now, paano naman katulad nito, x, y, and y? Ayan. You have x, y, and y. Ang x, y, ang factor niya, 1 times x times y. Si y naman, 1 times y. Ang common factors nila, 1 and y. Okay? xyz squared and xy squared z cubed. Ang factors ng xyz squared ay 1 times x times y times z times z. And the factor nitong pangalawa, 1 times x times y times y times z times z times z. So, ang factors nila, 1, x, y, isa, at dalawang z. Okay? Now, we are going to get the greatest common factor or yung pinakamalaking factor na pareho sa kanila. In constant or numerical value, the largest factor that can be seen or divided in both or each given with accept answer. Yung pinakamalaki. So dito, 1224, alin yung pinakamalaking factor na pareho sa kanila? We have 12. So 12 is the greatest common factor of 12 and 24. The greatest common factor. How about this one? 36 and 48. The greatest and the common factors of 36 and 48 is 12 also. Okay?